One spring afternoon, as Anna was painting at Dam Square, a young man stopped to admire her work. He was Luca, an Italian software engineer traveling through Amsterdam. Luca was captivated by how Anna portrayed the city with warm and vibrant colors. "You paint beautifully," Luca said in English. "This piece makes me feel like I'm in a different Amsterdam." Anna looked up and smiled. "Thank you. I'm just trying to capture how I see this city." They talked for a while. Luca shared that he had traveled through many major cities searching for inspiration, but something always felt missing. Anna, despite her usual shyness, admitted that painting was her way of connecting with a world she often felt distant from. Before leaving, Luca bought the painting Anna was working on. He said it would be the most beautiful memory he'd take from Amsterdam. The next day, Luca returned to Anna's attic, bringing coffee and pastries. "I couldn't just buy your painting without knowing more about the person who created it," he said cheerfully. Anna laughed and invited him in. From that day on, Luca became a familiar presence in her life. They explored the city together, sharing simple yet cozy dinners in her small attic. Luca often sat silently, watching Anna paint. Occasionally, he suggested new ideas or simply chatted to break the silence. He wasn't just a source of inspiration, but also the friend Anna had always longed for. However, Luca wasn't someone who could stay forever. One evening, he admitted to Anna that this trip was his way of escaping a stressful job and life back in Rome. He would soon have to return to resolve the loose ends he'd left behind. Anna tried to remain calm, but deep down, she knew this parting was inevitable. "Do you think you'll come back?" she asked softly. "I don't know," Luca replied, "but if I get the chance, I'll definitely return." On the day Luca left, Anna accompanied him to the train station. They hugged tightly before he boarded. Anna felt as though the world around her had suddenly turned empty, but life went on. Anna returned to her painting, though her works now carried a different tone, softer and more introspective hues. One day, Anna received a letter from Luca. In it, he apologized for not being able to return to Amsterdam as he had hoped. Life in Rome demanded that he keep moving forward. Anna tucked the letter into a drawer, neither crying nor feeling sad. She understood that Luca had left her with a beautiful memory, and that was enough. Months later, Anna held a solo art exhibition. Her paintings were well received, especially a large piece titled "The Unfinished." The painting depicted a man standing on a bridge in Amsterdam, his back to the viewer, seemingly gazing toward a distant horizon. Many asked Anna about the meaning of the painting, but she only smiled, because she knew some stories don't need to be explained, they simply become a part of life, incomplete yet unforgettable. The unfinished painting Anna was a freelance artist living in Amsterdam. She rented a small attic near the canal where she spent her days painting and made a living selling landscape artworks. Though she loved art, Anna often felt lonely in her quiet life.